Peace and light. Yo, a knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational tree. Yo, me come here for wow with your spirit today. See the herb here? Why, me have 21 health benefits of it and me had to pen it because me no want miss a beat. You know that? Alright, first one. This plant, Maca root. As you see, me have in a true and authentic capsule made from cellulose, which is biodigestible. Alright, the first one is Maca root. It reduces anxiety and stress. Yes, man, believe it or not. It increases stamina and athletic endurance. It also has powerful antioxidant and nutrients that helps growth and renewal of skin cells. For all the people ever bleach, not that I'm endorsing skin bleaching, but this can get back your skin if you choose to stop today. Maca root balance woman hormone and increase sexual fertility and sexual health. Maca root also increase testosterone level in man and fertility, meaning increase sperm count. Yeah, man, people go say, oh, you work for man and woman. Simple. He also play with your DNA. So if you're a man, he can detect it. So it do the reverse. It works like an alternator. Yeah, man. Also, when you do it, increase energy level, better memory, and increase cognitive concentration. Yo, the herb, yeah, the Japanese monk normally use it to meditate. Yo, let me give them in a shot. Let me fly through the one. So it's great for acne, pan your face, remove acne. You have stamina. It help you get rid of fatigueness. You get rid of insomnia. We can't call it already. Insomnia. That means you have sleeping disorder. So you get rid of that. Help you to sleep better. Depression. Menopause, it fix that. It is a sex enhancer. Man who want boots up the thing. Yo, woman too. Yo, it boosts energy. It helps to increase sperm count. It our hormone balancer. It also have a adrenal, like it increase your adrenaline, make you feel more excited then. You understand? You have mental and physical vitality. It high in potassium and calcium, and it also increase the libido, meaning your sexual drive in both men and women. Yo, me have a bonus, you know. Woman who want grow boobs and butt, scientific research has proven that this herb increase the right places of women. The truth cannot be told, it only can be realized. If you want to get back your sensitivity as a woman because you were exhausted in masturbation and you have lost your sensitivity in your clitoris, this will bring it back. Yo, peace and light. Remember a new book, you know, man. See it here? It's available on Amazon and also in Jamaica. You just send me a private message and I deliver to you anywhere you are in the 14 parishes. The new book is what? Earth, Book 1. For more information like this, yo, Maca root. See it here online and in local in Jamaica. In Jamaica, $6,000 per 30. And overseas, £26 if you're buying online per 30. Yo, peace and light. I'm out with more like this coming. Remember, we're doing spiritual herbs. More coming. The next herb coming up is called Gal and Gal. Big up on yourself. The cat's out. Yeah, man. The cat's out, man. Boss it.